Karbonn Bharat K1 4G Jio Inside. See model number. It support from Jio Cinema, Jio Saver, HD voice call, 4.5 cm display, video player, recording, rear 0.3 megapixel camera, wireless charging, 10,000 mAh battery, SD card, 128 GB LED touch. First of all, let's unboxing Karbonn Bharat K1 4G mobile. Please subscribe Tech Mobile View. Let's start. That backside came from 1099, but it came from 999 only. Headset, an adapter, battery, user manual card. Karbonn Bharat K1 4G mobile. See unboxing of Bharat Karbonn 4G mobile. See, let's open this Bharat Karbonn 4G mobile. Open the Bharat KG 4G mobile. It came from user manual. It came from Karbonn user manual, warranty card, user manual. Now opening battery. Its battery capacity is 1000 mAh, 3.7 volt. And see Bharat Karbonn 4G mobile. See, look at the design and see charger. Bharat Karbonn mobile. It comes from USB cable. Look at the Bharat Karbonn K1 mobile. Now opening back door and inserting battery. Inserting Bharat Karbonn mobile. And opening seal screen protection. See cleaning this screen, it comes sticker is stick into display. Now it clean it. It is bad impression from Jio Karbonn K1 4. It came from sticker and clean it. Sanitation liquid. Cable, 3.5 mm jack. Touch it right. Now it turn on. Selecting language. Next, creating password. Skip. Skip. Now it comes setup. Now go to menu bar. See call logging, contact, messenger, note, camera, Jio Saver, Jio Cinema, internet, clock, multimedia. You see voice call, music player, video, radio, photos. And go to back tools, calculator, calendar, touch. Now open touch. See touch right. Turn off. Now go to Now go to media files settings. Now go to setting flight mode, SIM card, Bluetooth. Only three options are available: flight mode, SIM card, Bluetooth only. Now go to display settings, wallpaper, screen brightness settings, see time of camera setting. Now see camera quality. Now see camera quality. Now see camera quality. The camera quality is not good. Now in setting Jio SIM, let's break this SIM card there, and now it came from withdraw with from Jio. Now in setting Jio SIM. Now turn off the mobile. Setting Jio SIM. Now insert the SIM. I'm telling battery. Now turn on the mobile. Hello Jio. See the voice speaker. The voice is most loud. Now voice can.
स्मार्टफोन में जियो ट्यून के बारे में जानकारी के लिए एक दबाएं। जियो फोन में जियो ट्यून के बारे में जानकारी।
The voice is good, but it came from noise.
एक दबाएं।
The speaकर is getting noise.
करने के लिए दो दबाएं।
Voice
अपनी
noise.
पसंद के गाने को जियो ट्यून पर सेट करने